Alright, another day in the forest. I happened upon this beautiful area where all of these birds are chirping, as you can hear. And it's just so beautiful. They just make so many different songs and calls. And as I was standing here, I'm like, these birds aren't even worried about anything else. They're just being themselves, just being birds, not worried about if they're doing it the right way or if anybody's around to hear them or if they might get embarrassed. And I just really admire that because we need to be more like birds. Just vibe out and sing our songs, do our thing without needing anybody else's approval. And there's so many of them, all different kinds. It's not like it's just one type of bird, you know what I mean? It's all of them collectively making a sound and not worrying about who's around to hear it or if anybody is gonna care, because they're just being birds. So, and they don't even know that they're birds. They're just vibing. They just see life and they do life. And that's very admirable. And yeah, just help me reflect. You know, am I willing to be a bird? Not worrying about a thing. Just singing my melody and going about my way. And they all create this beautiful harmony because they allow themselves to be just what they are. They allowed themselves to express just as they are. And there's this beautiful harmony. So, the next time you think that by being you, you're bothering someone or something or some environment, just remember the birds. They absolutely could care less who is around or what is around, unless they're in danger, and then that's a different story. But as long as they feel safe to be as they are, they will be as they are. So, food for no thought. Be a bird.